Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Language Academy. My name is Teacher Hadid. Few days ago, I was watching a TV serial and I have learned something new and I want to share it with you. So the language expression is FYI call. When you want to call someone just to share a message and you're super busy, so you can just simply say, "This is just an FYI call. I want to tell you that the meeting was cancelled." So FYI call, by the way, FYI means for your information. Let's say that you want to call your friend and share a very important information and also you are super busy. So you just want to call the person and don't say hello, how are you, or you don't have to greet the person. You just have to mention that there's information I want to share. So you can say, hello, this is just an FYI call. The meeting was cancelled. Yeah, hello, this is just an FYI call. The dinner function, yeah, the dinner get together was cancelled. So when you call someone and you want to deliver a message quickly, you can say, this is just an FYI call, and deliver your message and say bye. So I whenever the next time you are super busy and you still want to call the person and you want to avoid greetings, you just want to drop the message, say this is just an FYI call and then drop your message. I really hope you enjoyed this video lesson. See you tomorrow in the next video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.